Dear friends and colleagues, greetings on the behalf of Organizing Committee of Ninth International Scientific and Practical Conference. It is indeed my honor and privilege to welcome you all for this prestigious international conference on current issues of education and science 2021. I would like to thank the organizer for giving me this opportunity to share with you all my perspective about this conference. This conference is held for 3 days from 10 to 13 November 2021. We do hope that this conference will enrich our insight on education, its current issues on teaching, learning, and its relation with science, technology, moral, and arts. It is expected that this conference proceeding could contribute to develop research in multidisciplinary scope in education and could lead to build holistic quality research, literature, and review. I once again thank you everyone for being the part of this international conference and your participation. Hope to meet you all in this conference and have a great interaction on education and its current issue. Thank you.